Okay, here's enhancement one. Just going to go through it. Both files use home and template use a PHP extension. So I got home PHP, template PHP. Use modularizations. In the common file, I have footer, header, navigation, and those link to home. They also link to, so I got header, footer, and then within the header itself, it's got the navigation. Same thing with template, got those all there. Footer, header, navigation, all of those going through. Home PHP validates. Get to that. This is the home, and we got the home PHP validating with no problems there. I also have the same for the template, no warnings or anything like that. It didn't ask in the thing, but also CSS is good. It's responsive, so I'm gonna go to home. So I set it at about 800, and you can see that this goes down here, and I also don't get any scroll marks or anything like that. So as the screen size grows, it moves from one design to another. I don't have any external CSC. It's all CSS. I mean, it's all on one page that links not only to the template but also to the home page. No skipped headings. I think I mean just headings. So I have H1 and I go to H2. I don't have a H3 without an H2. I think that's what that's referring to. And everything is fully operational. I don't have any broken links. And so in that sense, I don't have the PHP not working. I did have that problem initially. And I show both views, responsiveness and validity in this video, as you can see.